Hi everyone, Sheree here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the beautiful Felicity Jane Annie kit. This is for August 2021. And let's take a look inside because this kit is absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so we have these little bits and pieces here. These are add-ons that are available in the shop this month, and I'll go through these a little bit later. And we also have this fun little gift. This was included for all subscribers this month. And we have a couple of little washies in here and a notice about a birthday sale that's coming up. So I'll be sure to go through that a little bit later as well. So let's open this up and take a look inside. So there we have Annie herself, looking super cute, like her striped t-shirt. That's something I would definitely wear. All right, let's take a peek inside. Okay, I'm absolutely loving the colour combination in the kit this month. So fun and colourful. And I'm loving the look of all these things too. So I will grab everything out and we'll take a closer look at those. Okay, so I have everything out of the box now, and doesn't everything look so beautiful together? All right, let's take a closer look at a couple of the things I don't need to take out of the pack. So we have the Annie Puffy alphabet. Love this font, and this color is so pretty. It's a really pale blushy pink. Absolutely love it. So we've got multiples of all the letters and numbers, all in lowercase. Love that. We also have the Annie stamp set this month, which is an alphabet stamp set. So everyone can do with one of these in their stash because they are so handy to have. And this font is gorgeous. You also have the little Annie stamp down in the bottom corner here if your name happens to be Annie. So that's the Annie stamp set. It comes in its own little pouch as always. A cute little heart sticker on the back. So that's just going to keep your stamp set nice and safe and secure. All right, these other things I'm going to pull out of their packs and give you a closer look at those too. All right, let's take a look at the Annie washi strips. So there are 2 sheets of washi strips in this pack. So you've got all the different colors from the kit, and they do peel off individually in their little strips there. So that's really handy. These are going to be lots of fun to use on projects. So they're the Annie washi strips. Now let's take a look at the Essentials Label Stickers number 5. So you get 5 sheets of label stickers in this pack, which is so handy because there's so many included. It'll keep you going for ages. We have this gorgeous pink on the front here. I absolutely love that. There's another shade of pink underneath, a little bit lighter. Gorgeous shade of yellow, love that. I think this one here is my favorite. It's like a turquoise green, and then we have this pale blue, which is just so pretty. So I love that they have the little scallop edges down the very bottom so that you could see at a glance which colors are included in the pack. And we have had Essentials label stickers 1 through to 4 already in various kits. So number 1 was included with the Catherine kit. We also have number 2, and you can see along the bottom all the colors included there. There's number 3, which are all neutrals, and number 4 there, which I think was with the Millie kit. But you can get all of these in the shop still under the Essentials section. But these ones here I think are my favorites so far because the colors are just gorgeous. So they are the Essentials label stickers number 5. Okay, I've turned on the studio lights since the sun has decided to disappear for the time being, but this is the Annie Die Cut Shapes pack. There are 31 pieces included in this pack. I have zoomed in a little bit so I can get a closer look at these. We've got Annie herself in the center here, a couple of speech bubbles. We've got the word yay, 2 little tickets. One has the chapter number 8 on it. We've had one of these in every kit so far this year, so number 8 for August. This one here says happy. We've also got 2 tags here, one with the black polka dots all over it, and we've got this gorgeous floral tag, and they have that ribbon slot at the very top, which I love. We have the words summertime and celebrate, and then we have 2 little labels with a heart on it. We've got the word August in all the kit colors. That's really gorgeous, and I love this banner piece. It looks like confetti all in one little banner. I love that. We've got the cool, warm, hot piece. That's really fun. I love that. We've got some photo corners. We've got 2 in the red with white polka dots, and then we've got 2 white with a black border. There's a curved red arrow. We've got some lemons here as well, an ampersand in the light blue with white polka dots, 3 labels down the side here, 1 red, 1 light pink and 1 yellow. And then we have some more labels at the bottom here. So in that darker pink, that lighter blush pink, and 2 in the blue in different sizes. So they are the Annie die cut shapes. I can't wait to use these. So much to love about these die cut shapes. Also in the kit this month, we have the Annie jar of sequins. So lots of different colors, all the kit colors there to choose from, the light blues, yellows, got that dark pink, the lighter pink, and there's some clear ones as well included in this little jar. So lots included in that jar. It's going to last for ages. These are perfect to use in shaker pockets, scatter them around your page as little accents. Great on card making as well to add to the front of your cards. So that's the jar of sequins included in the kit. We also have some tiny chipboard tags. So this is them. There's 2 different styles of tag included. So we have this style here with the rounded top with the hole, and then we have a squarer design as well. So there's this pink one with a white heart. We've got the yellow with white polka dots. There's this white one here with confetti dots all over it. Then there's a multicolored striped one there, a white one with a black heart, black and white stripes, black and white polka dots. We've got this one here that says today. There's a light blue gingham tag there. That's really pretty. And then we have this turquoise one with the crisscross gingham design. So they are the Annie tiny tags that come with their own twine, so you don't have to go hunting through your stash to find some twine, or it's all there ready to go. So you can even use these all on one project as a little banner, or use them individually. I love these for adding the date to my project, so I'll be using these for sure. So they are the Annie tiny tags. Next up we have the journaling cards. So as always, there are 12 cards included in the pack, and on the back there is always either a grid or a dot grid. So they're nice and neutral. You can use these for anything. Okay, so let's take a look at the gorgeous patterns on these journaling cards this month. So this first one here, we have a pale pink background with the lemons all over it. Love that. This one's white with some journaling lines, and then we have a row of black hearts across the bottom there. We have this gorgeous yellow one. I love yellow, and so this is going to be one of my favorites in that yellow crisscross gingham pattern. We have this one here, mainly white with this white diagonal yellow lined section at the very bottom. We have this really pretty card here, light blue background with these flowers at the bottom there. That's gorgeous. Love this one, number 8 with those multicolored stripes, so fun. And this one too, The Good Life. Absolutely loving these colors together. It's such a gorgeous palette this month. We have this grid card, so it's in that turquoise color with the turquoise grid in that darker shade. We've got this one here, white background with black dotted chevrons. We've got this one here in the 2 tones of pink, perfect for journaling. Love this one here. We've got the 3 sections on this card. So we've got that pink gingham, a floral in the center, and then black and white dots in that bottom section there. And then we have this white one here with a label on it. So these cards, absolutely gorgeous. I just love them all together too. So I'll definitely be getting into my pocket page album this month. All right, here we have the Annie paper pack. As always, we have this packaging piece that comes on the front. Always keep this. It has a smaller version of all the papers that are included in the pack, so it's great to use on your project. You can cut this one up and use it in lots of different ways. Okay, so let's take a look at the beautiful patterns included. First up, we have this gorgeous floral pattern on the front here. On the back, we have this spots pattern, and then we have these yellow lines on a white background down the branding strip. Absolutely love this one, and that beautiful turquoise gingham. On the back of that one, we have these hearts, and if you look closely, you may not be able to see on camera, but there's a little random coloured heart in different places all over this one. There's a little pink one down the bottom here. So there's yellow, pink, that turquoisey colour, and then we have the very pale pink down the bottom. I'm sure there's more, but that's really cute. I love that. We also have the pink grid design down that branding strip. This next one here is called Stripes in all the kit colours, and I love that it has this fun distressed look as well. On the reverse we have this diagonal grid pattern, and the branding strip are lemons on a pale pink background. This next paper is called Lemons. This time it's on a white background, and on the reverse we have these dotty stripes and that turquoise colour down the branding strip with white polka dots. I love this one. This one's called Candy in diagonal stripes, 2 shades of pink. It's so pretty. On the reverse we have this gorgeous confetti pattern, and then we have a row of black hearts down that branding strip. This next paper I think is my favourite in the kit this month. On this side we have the gorgeous yellow background with white spots, and then on the reverse we have this really pretty daisies pattern that is so cute on that blue background, and then we have this yellow pattern down the branding strip. So I'm not quite sure which side I'm going to use. I'm going to have to use them together I think, because they are just absolutely gorgeous. Love that paper. As always, we have 2 solid colour papers included. So we have this darker pink with the yellow on the reverse, and then we have the light blue with the turquoise on the reverse. And as always, you can see we have the scalloped edge at the bottom. So it is slightly longer than 12 inches on that side. So you can either cut that strip off to use as an accent, or you could cut the strip off the other end and have that scalloped edge down the bottom of your paper. So they are the beautiful Annie kit papers, and I can't wait to get into these and start creating. Next up we're going to take a look at the add-ons that you can get in the shop. Let's take a look at the add-ons that are available in the shop. So you can find these in the Annie section of the shop. There are a couple of other items you'll see as well, but I've got 3 of them here. So these are the confetti puffy alphabet in all the kit colours. I love these. Last month we had them in white, same font, but I love that we've got all the colours mixed in here. So there's multiples of each of the letters, all in uppercase, and we have multiples of the numbers as well, and plenty of letters and numbers included in that pack. So that's a confetti puffy alphabet. We also have a new colour in our new Essentials MIDI clips, and this one's called Breeze. Coordinates perfectly with this kit. I love this green, it's absolutely gorgeous. And then we have the Annie 6x6 paper pack. So there are 8 pages included. We have that little packaging piece on the front you can cut up and use, but then we have 2 of each design inside. So there's 2 of this floral with the pink design on the back, so there's 2 shades of pink in that one. We also have lemons, and on the reverse of that we have white with a black polka dot. We also have that gorgeous daisies pattern with that blue background, love that, and my favourite yellow with dots on the back. And then we have this really fun diagonal multicoloured stripe, and on the back of that is that pink gingham. So that is the 6x6 paper pack that you'll find in the Annie section of the shop as well. Now you may have seen at the beginning when I was taking everything out of the box, there was this little bag with some washi inside. So this was a gift given to our subscribers for August. There was a new washi, this red gingham washi, which is really cute, and then we had the Essentials dot washi, which has always been one of my Felicity Jane favourites. So there was also a card telling us about a Felicity Jane birthday sale. So it's 7 years of Felicity Jane this month, which is really exciting, and I've been so lucky to be part of Felicity Jane for the last 4.5 of those years, and I just love Felicity Jane so much. It's been such a joy. So we have our birthday sale coming up on August 19th to the 22nd, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. It'll be announced also on Instagram, so make sure you are subscribed to Felicity Jane Studio on Instagram, and you won't want to miss this sale. Going to grab some bargains for yourself. So that's the birthday sale coming up very soon. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's included in the Felicity Jane Annie kit this month. Just keep in mind too that if you didn't want the whole kit but you do like some of these individual items, you can get them all separately in the shop. So I'll leave a link down below to the Felicity Jane store if you want to head over and grab some of these things for yourself. I look forward to bringing you some projects very soon using these beautiful things. So until then, enjoy your week, and I will see you then. Bye for now.